Well, hi guys, it's George from Cyprus Insight. Today we're in Lefkara and we're going to have brunch in this coffee shop or restaurant. Can you pronounce the name?
Marikkou pou Lefkara.
There we are. Right, let's go inside, see what they've got. Now, this has been recommended by Joanna and a few viewers. They said it's triple delish. Oh, let's have a look at this A-board first. It says fitness whole pancake. Oh, okay, sounds interesting. There is a slope to get down there. We're right on the edge of the village of Lefkara. There's the schools there on the left hand side. Free car park up there on the top. That's where the car is. Good location, isn't it? So looking good so far, and we've got a slope, crazy paving slope. Oh, let's go down here and we'll go inside. Conveniently located tables and chairs out here in the veranda. Oh, look at the view you get. There's the mountains and car park. Oh, what's that over there saying? Beautiful houses for rent or for sale. Ooh, that's interesting. Right, here's the menu on the clipboard. Oh, I like the old clipboard. I haven't seen one of those clipboards for years. I could do one clipboard like that. Anyway, hot coffees. There we are, around €3. Instant coffee, $2.50. Iced coffees. Right, so hot drinks, hot chocolate €4, tea, oh I might have a cup of tea, €2, alcoholic beverages including a slow beer at €5. You can have lemonade, icy drinks, lemonade, almond cordial, €3. You can have sweets, orange pie, $4.50, cookies at €3, snacks, ham and cheese toasty, €4. Oh, that sounds nice. Oh, look at this, lunza and grilled cheese toast. Oh, I might have that, €4. There we are, very reasonable. You can have pancakes and sweet stuff. You can have different toppings at just 90 cents. So there's the pancakes and waffles, starting at €5. Then add some stuff. And this is the...
This is dangerous. Everyone you read, you want.
Oh, is it really? Oh yes, I see what you mean. Look at the breakfast. Bread with 2 eggs, bacon, slices, halloumi lunza, beans, €8.50. Oh, want it? I see what you mean, yeah. Granny's breakfast, crispy bread, cream, bacon, melted cheese, 2 eggs, $8.50. Bacon heaven, pancakes with bacon and what have you, €9. Add an egg of bacon or avocado or salmon at just €1. Ham and cheese. Ooh, loads of stuff. Again, just €1 if you want to add egg, or bacon, avocado or salmon.
I'm having the bagel ecstasy.
Bagel ecstasy. Oh, that's a good idea. New York bagel stuffed with Philadelphia cheese, avocados, grilled cheese, scrambled eggs, honey. Add 2 slices of grilled bacon for an extra €1 if you want.
Got a special.
Oh, it's a special. So there we are, Marikkou.
It's a Dubai special.
Dubai special. What is that?
That's all like you know, like the Dubai ice creams that we had last year.
Yeah.
Well, that's like it's up with pancakes.
That's clever. €9.50. Looks like we've got lots of vintage stuff. Vintage bike.
Vintage crew.
Yeah, definitely. And the vintage bike.
I bought you one of them.
I had one of them. I had one of them when I was about 14.
I bought you one.
Did you buy me
Don't you remember we got two?
Oh yes, we did. Yeah, we did. So there's the vintage bikes. There we are. I think I had 2 gears on mine. So one for the front, one for the back. Now they are super reliable. I was looking at a friend's bike the other day. Friend's son came round with a bike and the gears are broken again. They're absolutely rubbish. These are really reliable. Well, so if you're looking for gears on a bike, that's what you want, guys. Or gear levers. So that's a vintage bike. We've got Tuvley there and chess. And if we come round here, we have got a vintage hi-fi system. Did you have one of these?
Similar.
Yeah, I did have one of these.
My tape deck wasn't there.
Oh, where was your tape deck?
Sort of on the side.
Oh, okay, so there we are. So this tape deck's on the side there. I'm not sure what's happened to this.
It's left in the loft. I don't know why.
Oh, is it? Is that what's happened?
It's got too hot.
It's got too hot in the loft.
I left mine in my mum's loft and they all come out like that.
Oh, wow. Well, there you are. So, vintage hi-fi system. An old Pepsi Cola tray. And we've seen these quite a few times, haven't we? In abandoned warehouses and houses. Now, do you think this is original? I think it is. So what you got there then?
It's a bagel.
Yeah.
Philadelphia.
Yeah.
Avocado. Scrambled egg. It looks like halloumi.
I think there's
Bacon.
halloumi in there.
Bacon, honey, everything. Everything.
So you got everything in there, and then on top of the bagel is honey. So what you're going to have to do, you're going to have to attack that with a knife and fork.
I am indeed, yes.
Yeah, you can't pick that up. So there we are, and I've got a traditional English breakfast. I've got baked beans in the middle. And, oh, not a traditional English breakfast. I've got halloumi there, and I've got what looks like spam. Oh, I haven't had hot spam for a long time. Well, there we are, guys. Brunch at Lefkara, and why not? Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if there's somewhere you'd like me to go, put it in the comments below.